جادك الغيث إذا الغيث هما يا زمان الوصل بالأندلس.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. ¿Cómo estás? Espero que te vaya bien. Como puedes ver, estoy tratando de hablar en español aunque no sé español. Y si te preguntas cómo hablar ahora, solo estoy usando el traductor de Google. Hoy vamos a estudiar el alfabeto del idioma español. Empecemos. El alfabeto español. Como puedes ver, there is a little bit different between the French alphabet and the Spanish, and a huge difference between the English alphabet and the Spanish. We will just read the English first, then we will jump to French and come back to Spanish. And about this, it's fine. So we are following the standard of casual yet profession. So eating while teaching or learning actually is good for your memory or your mind. It will be working good. Anyway, it's a knowledge from my pocket. Just take it. So in French, they used to say like A, B, C, D. You see, like someone trying to climb a tree. A, B, C. But in English, like A, then B, C, D, like someone trying to drive in the right side like that. But in Spanish, in Al-Andalus, when I'm saying Andalus, there is a big history behind that, so we are not talking about that. We will just focus about the alphabet. So in Spanish, let's just read together now, then let's discover else what's happened with that. So A, it's A, B, T, C, D, E, F, H, H, I, J, K, L, E, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, etc. Como puedes ver mean, as you see, in Arabic mean, زي ما انتوا عارفين, زي ما انتوا شايفين. That's why I'm saying it a lot. Como puedes ver, we have the alphabet here and some examples. A, arbol, tree, شجرة. B, barco, boat. قارب, سفينة. C, cama, bed, سرير. D, dedo, finger, إصبع. E, estrella, star, نجمة. F, fuego, fire, نار. G, gato, cat, قطة, بسة. H, helado, ice cream, scream. E, إيمان, magnet, مغناطيس. خطة, خرافة, جراف, زرافة. K, koala. L, luna, moon, قمر. A, llave, مفتاح, key. M, mano, hand, يد. N, nube, cloud, غيمة. N, niña, girl, فتاة, bent. O, oso, bear, dub. P, pan, bread, خبز. Q, queso, cheese, جبنة. R, raton, mouse, فأر. P, perro, كلب, dog. S, sombrero, hat, قبعة. T, telefono, telephone. U, uvas, grapes, عنب. Uve, vaca, cow, بقرة. Uvedouble, kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. أكيس, سيلوفونو, سيلوفون. أداة الموسيقى السيلوفون. إجريجا, جوجو, اليويو, يويو. ستة, ساباتو, شو, جزمة. وهكذا يا سادة انتهينا إن شاء الله من درس الحروف. As you see, inshallah next week we will do revision on those on Google Meet together next week inshallah, and we will discover the mistakes that we have done, and if there is no mistakes we will practice again to handle it well. So the next class will be after 2 weeks after the revision class, because as I said, first class, then revision class, then another class, then revision class. That's why we learned. So we are going to learn like that, and see you next week. I will update you in Telegram, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ciao.